Hi guys, welcome to Code with Izzy session 2. Today we're going to be giving MiRo some emotions. To do this we're going to be using functions. Alright, let's get started. To begin, launch a MiRo code session. I'm going to start by making a test emotion. I'm going to start with sad. So start with program start, as always. And then I'm going to print, I'm feeling sad. Then from the emotion category, I'm going to pick several different actions that represent a sad emotion. Drooping tail down, changing the colours on all of the LEDs to a dark red. I'm going to select MiRo's eyes and set both of his eyelids to closed. And I'm going to set both of his ears to be outwards to represent a sad emotion. I'm also going to set MiRo's head to be lowered down and his neck to also be in the lowest position. Then, as always, put a wait block in there to make sure every action has time to perform. Now I'm going to press Simulate Play. Brill, I'm happy with that. Let's move on to creating the rest of our emotions. Remove the program start. We're actually going to replace this with a function block. These can be found in the functions category, and I'm going to rename it sad. This will create a function which will perform those sad actions that we've just created for MiRo whenever we call upon it at other parts in the code. We're now going to create functions for 3 other emotions: happy, neutral, and very happy. Just select the sad function, right-click, and press duplicate. Rename this function neutral, and then type I'm feeling neutral in that print section. We're also going to add a new emotion, wagging tail. So put that in and click on the slowest setting. I'm going to set MiRo's tail to droop upwards. I'm going to change the lights to a pale blue, keep his eyes closed, and keep his ears outwards. But I'm going to move his head to the middle section and his face to the middle section. Don't forget to put in a stop wagging tail after that wait block so the code stops wagging MiRo's tail. Great, we're just going to duplicate it again and create the happy emotion. Rename the function happy, type I'm feeling happy, and we're going to change the wagging speed to fast, keep the tail drooped up, change the colour to a lovely bright yellow, open MiRo's eyes, and move his ears forwards. We're going to raise the head up a little bit so that MiRo looks a little bit more cheerful. Then we're going to right-click on the happy function, duplicate it again, and make very happy. Rename your function very_happy, it's got to be one word, and change the print text as well. Let's set the wagging speed for fastest, change the colour to a lovely bright green, keep the eyes open, keep the ears forward, and then raise the face up. Brilliant! We've got all 4 of our emotions now. It's all set and ready to go for the next part of the project. So let's save our project, name it whatever you want. This will save to your downloads folder. In part 2 of this episode, we're going to use these functions that represent the different emotions and create a behaviour where MiRo will respond to different touches and sensors and respond with different emotions accordingly. Enter the IP address of your robot to test these programs out. Here's my MiRo looking sad, neutral, happy, and very happy. See you next time.